Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make super easy Santa Claus fruit skewers. Hope you like it. This recipe is simple and easy to make. You only need to cut everything and it's ready. Learn it and make it to share with your family this Christmas. Ingredients: strawberry, banana, green grapes. Wash grapes and strawberries. Strawberry, remove leaves and top part. Banana, peel and sliced. Let's assemble now. Prepare this kind of bamboo skewers. If they are too long, you can cut them short. String grapes, bananas and strawberries together in order. Remember to stick to the center of the fruit so it is more stable.
The first Santa Claus fruit skewer is done. Doesn't it look good?
Repeat the same steps. Fruit skewers are good to go. This fruit skewers is made of fruits, so it is perfect for the whole family to enjoy together. Can you tell what each fruit represents? Actually, the strawberry is the Santa hat, the white part is the banana, and the grape is the face. Haha! Of course, you can choose other colors of grapes. The reason why I chose green grapes is that red and green are also Christmas colors, which give a very nice atmosphere. Do you agree? Christmas, also known as Christmas, is a Christian festival commemorating the birth of Jesus. It is celebrated on December 25th in Western societies, mainly the United Kingdom and the United States, but is generally celebrated on January 7th in Eastern countries such as Russia and some Catholic countries, which call it Epiphany. It is an important festival in the Christian liturgical calendar. Some denominations prepare for it through Advent and Christmas Eve, and continue to celebrate it with an 8-day celebration and liturgical festival. Christmas is also a public holiday in many countries and regions, especially Western countries where Christian culture is the mainstream. Outside of the church, Christmas has become a folk festival, and is often referred to as the Christmas and New Year season, together with the Gregorian New Year, which is close in date. The traditional Christmas dinner features stuffed turkey with seasoning, mashed potatoes, gravy, cranberry sauce, vegetables, and raisin pudding for dessert. Eggnog, a milk-based drink mixed with egg, sugar, etc., is often mixed with alcohol and is also popular during the holidays. Other Christmas dishes include butter tarts and shortbread, which are traditionally baked before the holiday and used to entertain friends who visit at various Christmas and New Year parties, as well as on Christmas Day. In the West, the traditional Christmas dinner consists of appetizers, soups, appetizers, main courses, snacks and drinks. The indispensable foods on this day include Christmas turkey, smoked ham, Christmas salmon, Christmas pudding, etc. In the eyes of Westerners, a Christmas dinner is not a Christmas dinner without a roast turkey. Some Westerners are also used to putting a whole roast suckling pig on the table for Christmas dinner, and people in the United Kingdom and the United States like to put an apple in the pig's mouth. This habit may come from some larger families, because only large families can afford to eat a pig. Later, some people who pay attention to pomp and circumstance also followed suit when entertaining guests at Christmas. Desserts after dinner usually include plums, puddings, and mince pies. People in the United Kingdom and the United States believe that eating these foods will bring good luck and good fortune. In the United States, there is also a special food in the Christmas dinner: baked corn porridge with a layer of cream and some fruit on top, which is sweet and delicious, and has a unique taste. According to the Bible, the 3 wise men from the East presented gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh to Jesus when he was born, and worshipped him to show their respect for the Savior of mankind. This is the origin of the custom of Santa Claus giving gifts to children. British children put stockings by the fireplace on Christmas Eve, believing that Santa Claus will ride his elk down the chimney at night and bring them socks full of gifts. Have you prepared Christmas gifts for your family and friends? Don't forget to visit my channel to check out the party food recipes. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.